Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is Gagan and Gemini. So this particular news item has been very relevant for our exam because the Indian National Center for Ocean Information, it's shortly called as INCOIS, it is under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. So INCOIS under the Ministry of Earth Sciences, these are the 2 points, plus Airports Authority of India AAI has developed a device called Gemini that utilizes the Gagan system to transmit PFZ, that is the potential fishing zones, and OSF, that is ocean states forecast and disaster warnings to fishermen. Now let us look what this Gemini is, what is Gagan. Across the globe there are various global navigation satellite systems. So for India, Navig is one such navigation system. So many aspirants have confused themselves to understand the difference between a satellite based augmentation system and a navigation system. Just like Navig, GPS is also a global navigation satellite system. So, what is the difference between a global navigation satellite system and a satellite based augmentation system? These SBAS can actually improve, that is the reason it's called augmentation. It can improve the accuracy and reliability of global navigation systems. Thus, even Gagan is one such augmentation system. Therefore, it provides additional accuracy and integrity that is necessary for all the phases of flight. Since this is very important for civil aviation, ISRO and Airports Authority of India has invested in this implementation of this project. So there are various satellites which are used for making this satellite system operational. They include GSAT 8, GSAT 10 and GSAT 15 satellites. So what is Gemini in this case? For dissemination of information on disaster warnings, potential fishing zones and ocean state forecast to fishermen, there is a lack of a device or an apparatus or a mechanism to ensure that it is accurately reaching the fishermen on time. So the government has decided to launch this Gemini device and mobile application for this PFZ forecast. It was developed by INCOIS. So the reason why they have done this is because sometimes the advisories with the existing system do not reach the fisherman when they move beyond 10 to 12 kilometers from the coast. As a result, because of the lack of information, they get stuck in this winds, waves and ocean currents, and this causes a lot of problems for fishermen. In order to address their issue, Gemini device was brought out. Now let us have a look at the first question. Gemini device utilizes the Gagan system. Till now it is true, to transmit the PFZ, OSF and disaster warnings to user's cell phone. The statement is right. GLONASS is an example of global navigation satellite system. Yes, this statement is true. This is a navigation satellite system of Russia. So both the statements are right. Now please pause the video and try to answer this question. Please post your answer in the comment section below along with an explanation. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos.